Ole tuntuma chuanin Group A le B Gazetted Officer chin syllabus le mark distribution te kan en ho lenga video masalama kanin Group B non-gazetted officer post syllabus le mark distribution te kan lo en ho towa en chiang du le hre chiang du te kanomani chuanin video masalam kan en le maidon nia ole tuntuma chuanin Group A le B Gazetted Officer chin syllabus le mark distribution kan en ho dona masabera chuanin Group A Gazetted Officer le Group B Gazetted Officer kha syllabus ain ang tinania Group A emo Group B emo Gazetted Officer chin ani tuntuma hian kan en ho don le Gazetted Officer china hianin masabera chuan paper panga aoma paper pakhatna hianin General English paper 1 ania chuan mark za apuni paper 2 na hianin General English paper 2 ania mark za boka pua paper 3 a hianin General Studies paper 1 ania GS General Studies paper B kania hian mark za ni apuni paper palina paper 4 hian General Studies paper 2 ania mark za ni apua pangana paper 5 General Studies paper 3 ania mark za ni boka puni ti chuanin total heng paper panga mark puzat zong hi zariat ania full mark zariat ti nani chu ti chuanin video masalama Group B non-gazetted officer nen khan syllabus nen danglam na entaila Group B non-gazetted ta chuanin General English paper 1 ania paper 2 a General Studies paper 1 ania paper 3 a General Studies paper 2 ani ti chuanin total po hi zali ania Gazetted Officer a hi chuanin total mark hi zariat ani chuanin Group B non-gazetted officer post syllabus omlo Group A le B Gazetted Officer post syllabus omve thung chu General English paper 1 hi ni a tin General Studies paper 3 hi ni bokani ti chuanin full mark kha zariat ania non-gazetted ta ero chuanin zali ani achan ve thokin in thlau ti na ni chu ole tuna chuanin details of syllabus lampang lo enila ni chia kan nga chu mark distribution ania chuanin paper 1 b khi entaila General English paper 1 hianin masabera chuanin essay type omle phota essay type vekania General English paper 1 le paper 2 oma non-gazetted ta kha chuanin General English paper 1 topania gazetted ta ero chuanin English paper 1 le 2 omani General English paper 1 a hian kan soitong khanin essay type vekania omzia chu MCQ omlo tina nia mark za pua chuanin chunga chuanin essay writing mark somni panga precise kan hria mark som panga letter writing som panga idiom and phrase som pali expansion of passage som panga comprehension of given passage som parukani chuanin avain total chu mark za ani khaka paper 1 General English paper 1 ania paper 2 a chuanin short answer le objective type MCQ le objective type khania chuan mark za boka puni syllabus anila grammar ania grammar hian part of speech noun adjective verb preposition conjunction kan tiang chi te khania kan grammar ho khan mark somli apuni chuanin bina composition hian mark somthum apuleya composition kan ti hian analysis of complex and compound sentence te transformation of sentence kan ti te synthesis of sentence kan ti te khang ho kha compositions b kania mark som thum puni chuanin paper 2 to bera hian correct usage and vocabularies ania hian mark som thum puni paper 3 en leila paper 3 hi general studies paper 1 ania objective type MCQ kan tiang chi kha nia full mark zahni puni full mark hi mark zahni nia tichuan syllabus enila syllabus a hian section A na hian history of modern India and Indian cultures ti nia hemi b hian mark za apuni mark zahni a mark za apua a syllabus enila A na hian historical force and factor which led to the British conquest of India with special reference to Bengal, Maharashtra and Sindh. Resistance of Indian power and causes of failure titania. Tichuanin bina hianin evolution of British paramountcy over princely state tite sina hian states of colonialism and change administrative and policies kan tiang chi te kha ania British economic policies and their impact kan ti te efforts at generation of Indian society te chuanin civil rebellions a revolt of 1857 civil rebellions kan tiang chi te kha ani chhole ta chuanin jina hian rise and growth of Indian national movement tiang chi kha ni le ani chuanin kangau kha section A nia mark za puni chuanin paper 3 b ka hian section B na hianin current events of national and international importance ania hianin mark za apuni ahmami kan mark za pua chuanin tunami b na hian mark za bok apuni chuan full mark kha paper 3 b ka kan general studies una khan mark za ni ani chuanin paper 4 en leila general studies paper 2 ania objective type ni in mark zahni full mark ani le ni chuanin general studies paper 2 a hian section A na Indian polity ti nia hian mark som sari le paruk apuni mark zahni a hian mark som sari paruk apuni the roots kan ti chuan colonialism and nationalism in India kan ti te tin the structure Indian constitution fundamental rights and directive principles kan ti te union government parliament cabinet supreme court and judicial review kan tiang chi zong te kha nia tin sina hian the functioning omleya class te caste in Indian politics of regionalism linguism and communalism kan ti te tin developmental administration socio-economic change and its impact on Indian democracy ti te kha ania akhan mark som sari le paruk apuni section B na hian Indian economy ani leya hian mark som sari le pali apuni ahmami khan som sari paruk ania syllabus a chuanin the Indian economy ania chu guiding principles of Indian economic policy planned growth and distributive justice eradication of poverty kan tiang chi de kha nia agriculture production agriculture policy lands reforms technological change kan ti te industrial production kan ti te pricing policies for agricultural and industrial outputs procurement and public distribution kan tiang chi de kha ni le a chuanin budgetary trends and fiscal policy monetary and credit trends and policy banking and other financial institution kan tiang chi de kha ani le a foreign trade and the balance of payments ti te tin atobera Indian planning objectives strategy experience and problems khania hangkan somsari le pali apuni ahmami somsari le paruk nen kan ba chuanin mark za somnga ani ti chuanin sina omleya Geography of India ania mark som nga puwa chuni chu physical aspect kan ti te geological history physiography and drainage system origin and mechanism of Indian monsoon kan tiang chi soils and vegetation land capacity schemes of natural physiographic drainage and climate regionalism kan tiang chi dekha a huam le ni ti chuanin human aspect kan ti le chu genesis ethnic racial diversities tribal areas and their problems and role of language religion and culture in the formation of regions kan tiang chi dekha a huam le ta tin agriculture lam infrastructure irrigation power fertilizers and seeds institutional factors land holdings tenure consolidation and land reforms kan tiang chi te agriculture efficiency productivity intensity of cropping crop combination and cultural regionalization green revolution dry zone agriculture kan tiang chi te kha nia tin industry lampang te transport and trade kan ti te settlement kan ti te regional development and planning kan ti te kang song song kha a huam le ni ti chuan avain paper 4 khan mark zani apuni ti chuan in tomber na paper 5 general studies paper 3 ania hian mark zani boka puwa objective type ania MCQ kan tiang chi kha chuan in syllabus musabera hian the role and impact of science and technology in the development of India ania chuan mark som sari le paruk apuwa chuan in bina hian history culture heritage and traditional practice and general knowledge about Mizoram ania hian mark som sari le pali apuwa chuan a tombera hian in aptitude test a oma chu mark som nga apuwa chumvi ka chuan in numerical and figure work test ania mark som paruk apuwa bina hian verbal analysis and vocabulary test ania mark som pali apuwa visual and spatial 3D ability test ania mark som apuwa chuan in abstract reasoning test hian mark som apule ni chuan in vain mark zani paper C te kati paper 5 khan total mark zani apuni thansong kha tun tum group A le group B gazetted officer chin syllabus le mark distribution kan en ho le thei te chun ni ale peka chuan group C le group D lam syllabus te kanon thlur bing le don nia